In this episode today we'll be prepping and hopefully, in theory, spraying all the black as well. So got the bullbar, the solar panel needs to come off, and then that'll all be sprayed. This is just going the black spray can, like what's already on it. And then this side won't need to be touched because it won't be seen. Same with this one, the back will be seen, so that's the back. The front won't be, so it won't be touched. Spray the tray, spray bits of the undercarriage just with normal spray can, not Raptor. Scrub rails. Just a quick recap as well. The cab is done. While I'm doing all this, Court will be putting it back together, but she'll be recording on her phone for episode 5. Yeah, no, 6. Episode 6. Episode 5 will be this one. So yeah. Oh, and the grill and roof rack. So we'll get started. So what I was just grinding off then is these things. Don't know what they were. The previous owner welded them on. They were a big hook, so I'm assuming like a toe point, but it's stupid idea. So we cut the hook off originally, and now we finally got these off after a couple years of owning the car. So there's the two of them. Court has to go take my little one to the hospital just for a checkup. So I'm just gonna do the black paint without the Raptor spray just yet. So this is getting done with the black paint. You don't really see it. And then like other places as well. So like part of this, part of that, and then little bits and pieces, so I'll get started there doing that. If you've made it to this point in the video, I'm going to give a quick hint towards one of our next projects. Well, actually, it will be our next project. We've brought a caravan. I go on here to explain that we brought a caravan that we're going to go nomad. We're not going to have a home base, so we're going to do a traveling business as well. So through doing our business, we're going to go different towns and try and get some work in all the different towns and stuff like that. So our next project will be building the caravan setup so that way we could live in it rather than just use it as a camping caravan. The spray can, because it's probably a waste of Raptor doing it over it. So. So as I said earlier, only the back needs to be done, not the back on this canopy that is sitting on right now. We just got the 12-volt system in, and not the other side of this because they push up against each other. You're not going to see it. Canopies aren't coming off, and when they do, if they do, they're just going back on the same way anyways. So no need to waste some paint on that too much. Alright, to start off painting the black, I'm gonna start the chassis. It's just getting painted black with the spray can. Just gave it a quick touch up. That's really all it needed. And you don't see it. It's nothing bad, no bad rust, nothing. So it was just a quick touch up for where you see, except for this part because there's a lot of cords and stuff. I don't really want to paint over cords. This will all be cleaned up once the tray is on. Be easier. That cord's still yet to come out. I keep forgetting. And replaced. So I'll do all that later.
Howdy, howdy, we're back and we're spraying black.
So we've run into two snags. One, our gun has jammed up because of how thick the black is. And two, it's raining. And I have a full bottle with hardener ready to be used. But our gun won't spray anymore. It's clogged up too bad because of the black is a lot thicker than the purple. But yeah, I need to somehow get around this rain. I don't know. My missus has gone to get the rollers so we can just roll it on. I'm just gonna have to do that another day. That and the roof rack. The bullbar is already done. It's just these are already half done. They need to be finished. And yeah, these can wait for another day. I need another one anyways. Just hoping the rain don't affect what's already there. Especially this is pretty much done. Because it's black, I was telling them, because it's black, as long as it's got the texture, I'm just going to spray over with the normal spray can to cover the parts where you can see the other colour through. So it's got the texture, it doesn't overly matter as much as the purple. So the black will get sprayed with a normal paint can. But for now, the rain puts a dampener on things. I don't know what to do right now. So we're just rolling it on now. It's underneath the carport. Oh, veranda. So we're just gonna roll it all on. It's not gonna have the same texture, but it's gonna be better than nothing and wasting a whole bottle of Raptor, which is expensive. And all done. That's the 2 bottles that we had left of the Raptor spray. We're gonna have to get another 1 to 2 just to finish off with the roof rack. Roof rack and scrub rails and thing. No, roof rack, scrub rails and side steps. And then this could be touched up as well. So Court likes the texture on this. It came out good. It did. Better than what it was going to be. But I prefer the other texture. We'll see. Maybe I'll change my mind in the future. Here I'm just sanding down the roof rack, getting it ready to spray with the undercoat, which I used tough Raptor coating, undercoating, and then we used a roller with normal paint to get the texture that we wanted, as seen later on in the video. I want to show how different this comes out. It's so weird. It's like a little tiny ripple effect. Oh, there. Like tiny little ripples. That's cool. Do like the rough feel more than the ripple effect, but that's kind of cool. I like it. Doesn't matter because it's getting changed. Does Cece want to watch TV? Say hi, Cece. Say hi, Cece. Hi, baby. bit of a different texture to the
But at least the
red of it.
majority of the black is all.
Yeah, most of it, which is good.